Today we're talking about a new center that's opened in Melbourne that supports those with addictions and mental health issues under the same roof. Ben Vinker confided his struggles with depression and alcohol to his GP, but held back the full extent of his addictions. After a decade-long struggle with alcohol and drug use, Vinker found himself battling a serious health problem that he thought made him seem weak, which hindered his access to treatment. The creation of the center comes from the state's Mental Health Royal Commission as a response to an issue of the two sectors operating independently of each other, leading many to fall through the cracks. The new center is named after the founding director of the organization, Margaret Hamilton, and is a key recommendation from the Mental Health Royal Commission. The center will be run by Turning Point and will offer a statewide specialist addiction and mental health service that provides treatment and research. Training and research arms will help develop best practice models and train the state's mental health workforce, and staff will listen to patients about barriers they have previously faced in getting help. A decade-long struggle with addiction led Vinker to understand his issue as a serious health problem and feel unable to access treatment due to stigma and shame. But centers like this can open up resources and support to those who are struggling with mental health issues or addiction and provide them with a safe space to share their story. According to the report from the inquiry, finalized in 2021, Victoria's mental health system was unable to keep up with the number of people seeking help, and stigma and discrimination were widespread. It made 65 recommendations to the government, one of which was to create this center, as well as increase the number of addiction specialist psychiatrists in the state. It's clear that the stigma surrounding issues with mental health and addiction need to be addressed, and the resources need to be made available. Centers like the newly opened Hamilton Center in Melbourne are a large step in the right direction for those seeking support.